Alright, all you doubters. This is what I got so far here. I got all the banjo gears on. Got the headstock rebuilt. All new felts. Got the quick change gearbox rebuilt. All new felts. Compound, the cross slide, and apron all built, rebuilt. All new felts. Just finished up the tailstock. So everything's been degreased, oiled, lubed. Studying my South Bend lube chart there. So, I gotta get make up my mind what I'm gonna do. The original plan was to clean the crap off this and use this piece of 3/16 plate steel, which is big enough to put it on top of there. Here's the back drive. I haven't rebuilt that yet, but I cleaned her all up. She's sitting in there with all the crap underneath this 2x3 surface plate, but that's all cleaned up. And the motor, it's underneath the bench there somewhere. It's a brand new motor. So, all I have to do is figure out what I want to do now. But it turns pretty good. I mean, there's a little bit of noise in the headstock, but there's no binding anywhere. I haven't tried all the combinations of gears to make sure there's no binding in the quick change tool posts. Somehow I managed to lose one of these. Thankfully I had another one. That's the they say here, the stud gear. So that's the 40-tooth spare. That's the 20-tooth that you'll be using most of the time. So, but I got, that's just a parking spot for that gear. So I got everything all adjusted. I imagine I'll have some other adjustments to do. But she goes back and forth. I got brand new, or like new, half nuts in it. So still haven't put the thread indicator in there. I got that over here. Got to clean this up yet. That's probably my next thing. Clean that up. Get that mounted back up on there. Yeah. Get that mounted back up on there so I can have my thread indicator. So actually this is a Franken lathe. This is the bed off of a 10K that I started out with. But misplaced the tailstock off that 10K, so you go figure that out. There's a reward for it if you can find it. But anyway, so I got a 9-inch tailstock on it. I put the 9-inch head off that 9C I bought for parts. So it's going to be a 9-inch lathe. This is quick change gearbox off that 10K. This is the apron off the 10K because the 9C didn't have the threading stuff here. So anyway, so I haven't tested out everything in the apron. I haven't tested the power drive on the compound, but I imagine that works. So that's where I am now. And so if anybody's interested, they can watch this. I'll upload it to YouTube. Other than that, it'll just be an archive. So far it went back together good. I mean, had to monkey around to get this thing back on this morning. Other than that, that's it right there. South Bend Franken lathe. Part 10K and part 9A. But mostly works. God bless.